MYOB Advanced Business is a cloud enterprise resource planning ERP platform that connects every part of your business end-to-end to support growth. MYOB Advanced Business is built, developed and supported in Australia and New Zealand and supports a range of industries including manufacturing, construction, wholesale distribution, retail, professional services and not-for-profit. For businesses who rely on spreadsheets or multiple systems to run their business, lack visibility over critical data, and spend too much time on manual tasks, MYOB Advanced Business addresses these challenges. MYOB Advanced Business includes tools for financial management, project accounting, customer relationship management, comprehensive reporting, and inventory management on one platform. MYOB Advanced Business centralises your financial management so you have access to accurate data in one place. Empower your marketing and sales teams with real-time visibility and insights to improve customer service and deliver results with integrated CRM. Simplify and automate your inventory management processes. Gain greater insights and accelerate decision-making with real-time reporting. Access MYOB Advanced Business anywhere, anytime, on any device. Get a complete view of your business and provide a continuous flow of information between your remote teams, back office, and management on your phone and tablet, and whether you're on the road, on site, or in the office. MYOB Advanced Business integrates with leading software providers. Improve productivity and efficiency, and be able to customize the solution to fit your unique business needs. MYOB Advanced Business is the platform that automates, simplifies, and connects key business processes, which improves productivity, collaboration, and ultimately drive greater business growth.